Here's my quick take of the Anua PDRN Hyaluronic Capsule Sheet Mask. This is a Korean sheet that's packed with a lightweight serum formula and ingredients like hyaluronic acid and collagen that you often see in hydrating skincare products. I had to look up PDRN, which is huge right now where I live in Japan. In case you two are wondering, it's a regenerative compound made of DNA fragments commonly sourced from salmon sperm, known for high biocompatibility with human skin. Ooh, but Korea is also the country that came up with placenta and snail slime treatments. The country's known worldwide for its skincare. BB cream was born there. So I'm going to trust this. The sheet itself is very thin and flexible, so it sits closely on the face and feels comfortable while you're wearing it. Like most masks in this style, I usually leave it on for about 10 minutes. You could do more. And then pat the extra essence in afterwards to my neck, chest, and all over the body, to be honest. I like the texture and fit of this brand's masks in particular. The sizing is generous. And the mask is pretty saturated with serum.
Okay, so this mask is very translucent, very thin, and it covers my face really well. I like the cut of it. It's very almost silky, smooth feeling on the face. Really quite luxurious. I'm going to enjoy this for the next 10 minutes.
Rather than a long treatment, though, I feel it's more like a quick skincare step that you take a few times a week. If you enjoy trying out sheet masks as part of your routine, you'll definitely enjoy this one. And you can enjoy boasting to your mates, "I saturated my face with salmon sperm this morning." Recommend.